That's the Stallion 4x4 for you. Sinew for sinew, a performer. The Stallion 4x4 is manufactured by Ashok Leyland, the flagship of the Hinduja Group in India. The Stallion 4x4 has a 6-cylinder, turbocharged H-series engine with unmatched power and torque. Delivered through its state-of-the-art 6-speed synchro-mesh gearbox. Its robust, all-steel body is coupled with a simple yet superb suspension system, providing excellent ride characteristics. The Stallion's sturdy ladder frame chassis is designed for safety while remaining rugged and reliable under ravaging and varied operating conditions. The ergonomically designed cab gives all-round visibility and reduces driver fatigue. The Stallion's semi-kittable 5-ton load body is spacious with foldable seats. The Stallion 4x4 is equipped with terrain-specific tires. From the sand grip to the cross-country. Tenacious talons that provide excellent grip and flotation. Its performance is proven on terrains as varied as those of the vast Indian subcontinent. With temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius, and from sea level to altitudes of over 5,500 meters. Little wonder that today the Indian Armed Forces uses over 40,000 stallions, following extensive and torturous trials, virtually forming its logistics backbone. As a technology leader for over 5 decades in India and a pioneer in the design and manufacture of special-purpose vehicles for the armed forces, Ashok Leyland has been supporting the modernization of the Indian Army with the induction of a host of application-specific variants on the Stallion platform. This versatility of the Stallion platform gives the user the benefit of commonality of technology and spare parts. Ashok Leyland's comprehensive R&D infrastructure and an in-house talent pool ensure that its products are contemporary and world-class. Ashok Leyland is the first auto company in India to receive the TS 16949 corporate certification. Exporting to over 30 countries across Asia, the Middle East, Africa and South America, Ashok Leyland offers comprehensive aftermarket support initiatives, such as strategically located warehouses for spares, on-site service engineers, free service and training camps, model rooms, technical seminars and workshops, parts warehouses at Sharjah, South Africa and Mauritius. Versatile, reliable, proven. Ashok Leyland's Stallion. Tough and trusted. Ashok Leyland's Stallion. Tough and trusted.